Hi, this is my Wikispaces tutorial. As you can see, we're on the home page for wikispace.com. First thing you do is click Education. Then you're going to create a free classroom now. So you see that button right there, click it. Then it's going to give you this information. They want you to know, give you a wiki name. So I'm going to put DNRO, your name, the school you're attached to. You don't really have to put your school. Here's my school. So then of course you're going to put in as the title of your, begin typing the school's name if it's not listed. The course subject being taught is optional. You don't have to put it. I'm not going to put it honestly because it's not that important. And as you can see, you can have any grade from pre-K on up to undergrad, postgrad, adult education. So this is a really neat website that you can use for anything. I'm going to attach it to my 4th grade class so that way if I need it later on I can use it. And then it says that I'm certifying right here that it's going to be used for education. So click that box to make sure that you are using it for education and then click create. And voila, your classroom has been created. Now you're in your classroom setting. There are several things up here. You have a calendar, you have discussion boards, you can attach things, documents. It's a very, very neat space to work with. And here you can see you can get into your introductions. For Wikispaces, it's a great place for an online classroom, which is why I chose this. I immediately thought of a blended learning site when I found Wikispaces. It's got 4 distinctive areas. The first distinctive area is collaborative writing, which you see right here. You can add a page. Then you have, let me see if I can get in my wiki engagement events. You have members, you can do, it separates it by projects, certain events you want to do, and then engagement levels also. The social news feed is the really, really neat area, which is the one that I wanted to show you. So you can discuss anything once you create your classroom, and the kids can sign on with you. And it's the feature I really like is that it's probably more useful for a secondary environment than for elementary education, but it doesn't mean you can't start kids like this. The organization and the process of it, I think, is really neat because you can go in and post, and then your kiddos can attach to it, and you can go back and forth. The thing I really thought was neat is that once you do this, you can actually see. So let's see if we can find a subject. So let's put math. Oh wait, we're on discussion, aren't we? So, let's go back. So you can attach this to a lot of neat things. So you can go to create a new page, sort our classroom pages, and there's announcements. You can attach files, you can have discussions, you can create projects if you want, and then see here you can put names, descriptions, start dates, due dates for your kids. It's really neat. And then here you can schedule events as well. So this would be kind of like creating a syllabus. So if kids got done with one project, they can move on to the next. Finally, I really liked it because once you got in, you could really look at how the kids had been engaged. So let me see. You could get in there and see how the kids had done. So see here, this is my engagement obviously, but so you can see that there's either no activity, reading only, I worked with writing, and how many pages I'd saved. So this really helps to show you how much a kiddo has been on it. And once you go back and you assign a project, it will also show you how much work they've done on that project as well. And I really like it because it's finally a way to prove that kids can't piggyback off of each other, or they have piggybacked off of each other. So now that you're signed on to Wikispaces, it's really easy to insert that little bit of information you need to get started. And that's another reason I picked Wikispaces, because it's so simple to get on. Like you saw, that's all you have to add in there. And I attached it to TPK1 and ISTE A5C.